Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. So I thought it would be a fun idea to try mermaid yoga that I've actually done before once, but this time wearing my mahina monofin. Now this baby is huge and heavy, so this is going to be interesting. I'm not a professional trainer or anything like that, or a yoga instructor. I'm gonna link the video I'm gonna be following in the description, and I'm just doing an extreme version because I feel like it and I think it's gonna be funny. Don't try this at home, and if you do, it's at your own discretion and I didn't tell you to do it. And of course, before we can put on our mahina, we need some neoprene socks. They're crucial in water and in out of water situation, I suppose. That was a workout in itself, and I still have the video to do. How rude. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay.
So this video is more of a challenge / review, so here's some of my thoughts on it. The instructor was very nice and professional, and she was giving really good tips throughout the routine. Except for when she started talking about yoga breathing and oxidizing your body before a swim, which is a bit of a myth from what I've learned during my freediving training. But breathing exercises will of course help you relax your body and are generally good for you. I liked how it started with some pretty gentle stretches and moved into some core strengthening exercises, because as you can tell, my lockdown belly is starting to really show. This particular exercise was pretty hard because of the weight of my monofin, but not too bad.
Shaking. I can feel it in my thighs.
This next one was slightly harder because of the shape of the mahina and the fact that my mat was folded over like that. And so was this one. A bit strange. I remember doing it in a full tail and sliding on the floor so much. That's why I'm doing it in leggings and a monofin. I had a bit of a difficulty figuring out this plank thing at first, and it kind of hurt my knees, but my form wasn't the best, as you can see. And this next exercise was pretty hard as well, because of the added weight on my feet. That's my favorite part. And that's the whole routine.
So that was so much fun. It was a little bit more difficult with the mahina, obviously, since it's huge, but it wasn't that bad actually. Some of the exercises made me shake so bad, but in like a good way. And I've not done any kind of workouts in a while, so I'm quite impressed with myself. I think this workout in general is a great mix of kind of strengthening core exercises and some breathing exercises and kind of relaxation as well. And I think this little yoga sequence would be a great warm-up if you're going to a pool for a nice long swim or anything and you want to do a little bit of conditioning before. I think this would be a great opportunity to use that workout. So let me know if you would like to try this yoga sequence with a mahina or any kind of other monofin, or if you've tried it before. I know it's quite a popular, unique video that's been going around for a few years now, and I really appreciate the effort she put in to create a specific routine for mermaids. That's really, really cool. And I think you should all go and try out the mermaid yoga, especially that in some places gyms are still closed and we can't really go swimming, so that's what we can do at home. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for more mermaid related videos. I am currently working on some really exciting projects that will be revealed very soon. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!